Welcome to our YouTube channel, your go-to destination for effective and natural remedies to tackle that pesky dry cough. In this engaging video, we unveil a range of home remedies that are sure to bring you relief and restore your peace of mind. Is a dry cough keeping you up at night or interrupting your daily activities? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our expert team has compiled a collection of tried and tested remedies that can help soothe and alleviate that irritating dry cough. Join us as we dive into the world of natural solutions to address your cough symptoms. From herbal teas and steam inhalation to honey-based mixtures and essential oils, we'll explore a variety of remedies that are readily available in your kitchen or local store. Discover the power of these home remedies, backed by traditional wisdom and scientific evidence. We'll provide step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and use each remedy effectively, ensuring maximum comfort and relief. Our engaging video also includes additional tips to promote overall respiratory health and prevent future coughs. We believe in a holistic approach to wellness, and we'll share lifestyle adjustments and habits that can support your respiratory system. Don't let a dry cough hold you back any longer. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos, where we continue to explore natural remedies and health-related topics. Together, let's say goodbye to that stubborn dry cough and embrace a healthier, cough-free life. Remember, relief is within reach. Join us on this informative journey as we uncover the secrets of effective home remedies for dry coughs. Get ready to reclaim your well-being and bid farewell to that irritating cough once and for all.